ngiyathokoza kakhulu kumhlonishwa ungqongqoshe Hlomuka, and I wish to extend my greetings to the District Director Mpemba, the HOD for Community Safety and Liaising Ngwane, the principal of the school Mdungwa, the entire SMT and the entire staff, SGB members present, the officials from the provincial government, from the office of the Premier, and also those who are coming from the Community Safety and Liaising, the police who are accompanying us today, and the members of the media. Bese ngibingelela ngokukhethekileke nina bantu bami, sanibonani. Good morning. Goeiemôre. Dumelang. Nda. Well, I must say it's an honor, in fact, to stand in front of you, such wonderful kids today. You are looking beautiful this morning. In particular, I see something in your eyes. I see a bright future. The road actually we are walking is towards a very bright future. That's what I say, and I must thank you for taking serious your education, because your education is your future. Your success in life depends in your studies. Continue to work hard. I must also thank the teachers, in particular the SMT and the principal, the SGB, for their commitment and their sacrifices. I know that to turn around the results of a school is not a child's play. Ngiyangithanda ukuyixoxa ke nami lethu nami ngangaba uthisha ngelinye ilanga. Manje ngiyazi ukuthi ukuphasisa ingane kulikhulu kangakanani. Manje ke ngibonga kakhulu kothisha ukuthi ninikele to shape the future of our country and the future of our province. Nkosi kakhulu Mhlonishwa Deputy Mayor, not to acknowledge you, Nkosi kakhulu. I'm overwhelmed by the beauty I see. By the future I see. Ngifike ningibongele nasemakhaya kubazali benu ukuthi baninakekela, banithengela uniform, baniphe ukudla ekseni, baninikeze uthando, banivikele. Niyezwa? Nifike nithi bekukhona undunankulu wesifunda saZulu-Natal hamba nongqongqoshe wezemfundo, bafike bathi sibonge. Mawufika namhlanje mama, baba, auntie, sisi, whoever ohlala naye, your siblings, whoever ohlala naye, ufika ukuthi nje I have a special message for you from the Premier and the MEC for Education. Uthena nje masifika sifike sithi thank you for taking care of our lives. Well, our reason for us to be here today is safety. We are concerned about the issues around safety in schools and in our society. I know that at times people, when they look at yourself, they don't know how smart you are, what wonderful solutions you can bring. In fact, the most of the innovators in the world are the students. Abantu abaqhamuka nezinto ezintsha, students. Their minds are good, are sharp, and it's all about not only today, but it's about when you become adults, your future. You must ensure that you start now to shape your future, to shape your tomorrow. You must know what is happening in your area. You must be worried when you see crime. Niyazi crime angithi? Yes. Manibona ubugebengu fanele be worried. Manibona kukhona abadla idakamizwa fanele be worried. Fanele niphatheke kabi ngabo. Mawubona omunye umfundi ebhema ugwayi fanele uphatheke kabi ngaye. fana umdabukele mayinayeka indlela bese uxoxa naye uthi awu kodwa yini edatha uzubheme ngoba I don't think le mali othe ngayilose ukuba uthe ngayigwinya bengeke bebikho right. I think if you used this money wayisaver wasuyithengela i-calculator ey'fundweni zakho buzokwenza kahle. I think if you saved this money wasuthenga into ongabi radio oyilalelayo wazi kwenzakalana emhlabeni ezweni bekuzoba kuhle ngawe. You see, make someone see or realize that he has good things to take care of instead of spending what can turn around his or her life in the things that are not going to benefit his or her tomorrow or future. So we know that this school is one of the schools that are affected by problems of infightings within the students. According to the report I received, some of the students, they really don't understand which when you see a fellow student, you see your brother, you see your sister. And it's important to respect and to love your brother and your sister. Because we're building tomorrow, we're building your future, we're building your country and your province. Kubalekile ukuthi nihlalisane kahle ningabi nakho ukulwa. Kodwa ukuze kwenzeke kahle konke lokho kudinga okokuqala ukuthi nje nina nizwane nihloniphane, uhloniphe omunye nomunye ahloniphe omunye. Eqinisweni into eyenza umuntu aphumelele empilweni ukuhlonipha. Nengezonganza